Did you ever wondered how the wooden pallets are made? If you are watching this video, you will find the answer. Factories are using machineries to cut out blanks. Blanks are cut into wooden boards and then time to pallet nailing process with Pallet Max machine.
'Cause it's alright.